Hello, in today's video we're going to cover Autodesk's most underrated feature that you might even not heard about, but definitely everybody saw it. Everybody who's working in AutoCAD since 2009 have seen it, but never used it or tried to use it and underestimated its potential. And what actually exactly this feature is. You can find it under the Manage tab in all AutoCAD based applications. In my case it is AutoCAD Plant 3D, but you can of course also find it in AutoCAD itself. And this feature is located over here and it's called Action Recorder. And how from the name of the feature must be clear, it allows you to create action record. So it doesn't matter how the action sequence is long, it can record it. And why is it so important? Because for some of you, actually how it was in my case, it changed a lot because it helped me actually to optimize my workflow and increase the productivity among the other team members. Today, I'm going to show you only one example. I would like to update those pipelines statuses. And instead of always going to the Property tab, selecting Status, and clicking on Existing, Demolition, or whatsoever, depending on how many statuses do you have, I would like to always, when I'm going to invoke this action, to have components to be assigned to existing. And how actually you can do that? First, you need to click on Record button. Then, when record started, don't try to type or click or play with viewbox or whatsoever, because everything will be recorded and then you need to start from scratch. Then select components, which status you would like to change, and then just change it to existing. Basically that's it. Then you can stop it. You can name this action as st existing. You can also select a destination where you would like to store them. It can be centralized or whatsoever. Then you just click on OK. And here we need to do a few things. Depending on how complex the set of actions was, you need to perform some extra manipulations with that. To give you an example, for example here, it will always, when I start to execute the command, it will always suggest me to go and select all the components that I would like to use. But what if I would like to be it immediately applied to already components I selected? Then just remove checkbox out of here and add it over here. And now I'm going to change it back, for example, to nothing. And only thing I need to do, I can invoke it like that. That's the existing. Action was executed and status was changed. Basically that's it. And in addition, I'm going to give you one hint, because this kind of action doesn't work with every single action that you have across your software. For example, if we will look on statuses is the least base parameter. And if you will try to simply record it with, I don't know, some kind of typing or whatsoever, then Action Recorder will not recognize it, because in such a way you interact with the UI and he cannot really track all kind of indirect or direct manipulations with UI. But in case of when you're trying to change the status, or you would like to change any other list-based properties, then it will be recorded. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop it in the comments. And if you would like to know something in particular that might fit your workflow, feel free to ask. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.